So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view media and files on Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now this is the home page of your Instagram account. So tap on person's profile directly, or even you can tap on message icon which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. So tap on it, then tap on the message icon whose media and files you want to visit, like this. Then tap on person's name which is available on the top left corner of your screen. Then you can see here your media and files which you have shared recently to your friends or to these chats, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.